Welcome guys. We get another video. We're gonna do a little unboxing of the Castle Arts color pencil. There's 120 of these premium soft pencils. All right, let's do the unboxing. First time opening this good looking box, so let's open it. Let's get rid of the plastic. All right, let's go ahead and do this real quick. I ordered this through Amazon, so I expect a good quality top of the line pencils. Alright guys, here we go. Nice little Castle drawing they got on top. 120. Alright, let's turn this up the back. All right, here we go. CastleArts.com. Now this video is not sponsored by them. I just want to do a little review. That way you guys have an idea what it looks like, what you're gonna run into. Let's open this baby up. Here we go. There we go guys, look at this. Right here you get all the colors and names. All right, Castle Arts slogan, and there are also all the colors, 120 of them. Look at that. And there you have it guys. You get your little brochure, pencil, 5 easy stages. You see that guys? Kind of show you step by step how to color a castle, just like that. And there we have the universal color system. You know, and this guy sells a lot of these. You know, different. You want 120, 72, the small ones 24. I think you can go even higher. There's another selection. There's the colors. You know, start learning them by the names. Yellow all the way to black, brown. Here it is, guys. It's their book. Pretty neat, clean. All right, and this is the pencil in order, as you guys can see. Neat, clean. All right, and I got the first layer. I'm gonna remove it, and there's the other layer of pencils. Nice and neat. All right, we'll get that one out, and there's the other layer guys. There's 3 layers of color pencils. Pretty neat, very neat. Top of the line colors, look at that. Nice. So there it is guys, just a little quick review of the Castle Arts premium color pencils. 120 of these premium. Okay guys, look at this. All right, let's put everything back, close it, and we're gonna practice, do some coloring. I don't know if you guys see my other video of the sketchbook. This is where I'm gonna try to do sketching with the Castle Arts. Let me go ahead and put the brochures back in there. The intro. All right guys, well there you go. So there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoy this little quick review on unboxing Castle Arts 120 premium color pencils, appreciate you guys stopping by and check this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Yeah, have a great day.